Time to sell my PEIPEI or not? That is the question, guys, we're gonna answer in this video, because many of you are sending me messages like, hey, what is going on with PEIPEI? Are you still holding, or do we need to sell our bags? So I want to dive straight away in this chart, and this is the PEIPEI chart, one of the projects that I made so many videos about. All of you watching right now, holding the PEIPEI bag, I see you, I hear you, and I love you. Guys, yes, because PEIPEI has one of the strongest communities with a lot of nice people in it. They were so supportive for the project, they loved it. And right now, the price action isn't showing what you potentially expect. But that is the reason I'm making this video, because many of you are still holding, or some of you may be sold in a loss because you're looking for other opportunities. So first of all, this is the PEIPEI chart. And what do we see in this chart is that soon as PEIPEI launched, we saw a lot of hype. It goes straight away to around $100 million market cap. It's a very nice market cap. After that, we saw a huge pullback, which is completely healthy. Why? Because so many people were able to buy here. They send it to here. They start selling. But the people who bought the top have an emotional reaction in the body. They're like, oh my God, I bought at the highs, let me sell in a loss. And then it happens. But what happens next is the smart people who bought here and sold here are buying back. The guys we sold in a loss, like 2 weeks later, you're seeing the chart going up. They have FOMO and they're buying again. And then again, we have a selling pressure, we have buying pressure. And then again, bam, we should go higher. $165 million market cap, almost $200 million market cap. After that, the whole market wasn't that great anymore, which results in a huge sell-off, no more buyers. And then, yeah, the hype was a little bit of gone. But the people who are still holding the project, or the people who bought the project in the past, still know the project. So this is a situation right now where nobody is really buying, because the narrative is the crypto market is not there yet. And with yet, I mean, watch this, guys, because we are in front of the biggest altcoin season of our life. And it didn't happen yet. It didn't happen, guys. It didn't happen. Some of you said, like, it happened. No, it didn't happen. So in 2021, we saw a huge run, pullback, another run, and then it was over. Right now, it is different, because when we topped out here, Bitcoin was also going down, and it wasn't at all-time high. Currently, we see 2 runs with the Bitcoin dominance not even going lower. So it means Bitcoin goes higher and higher and higher. More liquidity is inside the Bitcoin ecosystem. And we see that it is not over yet. We are making higher highs on the altcoin total market caps chart. And it shows us there is market caps growing, the projects are growing here, but also Bitcoin is growing, which means more and more liquidity is going inside the market. And soon as the Bitcoin dominance, which you can see here, is going down, so many altcoins will outperform the whole market and generational wealth will be made. And all of these people who are buying when nobody is there are getting rewarded, because we all know. Do I have an example? I have an example for you guys. Let me go to SPX chart. It's another project, $1.5 billion market cap. But imagine you were, of course, it's a different kind of chart, but imagine you see this chart. It goes up, the hype fades away for several months. Nobody cared about this project. Nobody cared. And then out of nothing, it shoots straight away to the billions. And you don't know. But the only thing that we know is take action when other people are fearful. And that is exactly the PEIPEI chart showing us. People are fearful because everybody thinks, what if it is over? But what if I tell you that soon as we reach back to this area where we go to around $13 million market cap and we break above this one, guess what will happen? Guess what will happen? The people who sold here are hearing about PEIPEI again on Twitter, in Telegram groups. Oh my God, did you see PEIPEI? It is back at 50 million. What will they do? They will buy back the funds, because they were holding their back and they feel like, I need to buy again, otherwise I will miss the boat. So I am buying more PEIPEI at these levels. Yes. Do I feel scared inside? Yes, I do. I feel scared. But this area is for me a buying zone. And another reason for that is, let me open up this one. I do a long position. So of course, we need to calculate the risks. The price is here. So what is the bottom, the ultimate bottom here? The ultimate bottom of PEIPEI is here at 7 million. As an example, I want to lose maximum here. When it goes below that, I give up. But it isn't below that, it's at the buying zone. We see people are buying, people are selling. There's still people trading this token organic. And what can we win here? We can win, like, even if we go back to the not the all-time high, but still at here, we have a risk reward of 1 to 10, which means we losing $1,000. We put $1,000 on the line, which can be like here. We put $1,000 on the line. If it goes to 6 million, we are selling our part, and that is a loss of, let me do the calculation. That is a loss of, like here, 50%. So I lose $500. But what can I win? I can win $5,000. So yeah, it's 1 to 10. It's calculated risk. And I think PEIPEI is worth it because as soon as a project has all the eyes on it in the past, people are faster coming back to that project to buy themselves in again. And again, like I said, all those market cap charts shows us a lot of strength. And the Bitcoin dominance isn't even going down yet, but it will very soon. And the Ethereum Bitcoin charts, which you see here, which shows us, is Ethereum stronger or is Bitcoin stronger? When we go up, it is Ethereum season. When we go down, it is Bitcoin season. And currently, we touched the bottom. And then, yeah, like I said, we touched the bottom and now we're going higher. So guess what? It can be a big altcoin season. And so if you're watching right now and you'd like these kind of videos, I have one question for you. So many people are asking me like, hey, can you set up a private group? So I want to ask you, do you want me to set up a private group where we invite like-minded people looking for the next 100x, finding gems together and put them all in one group, having fun together? I will post my market knowledge about the market, like this kind of charts, projects I'm buying myself, projects I'm selling myself. And of course, I need one more thing. Do you like Discord or do you like Telegram? Let me know in the comments. And I want to arrange that for you guys to set up a group where we can connect with each other and find and make some money together. So let me know in the comments, private group, yes or no, Discord or Telegram. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'm buying more PEIPEI. See you later. Bye-bye.